This is our traditional offset area. This is where we do use water and ink. And so those two have to balance. We have 3 identical machines, each with a different feeder on it. This machine is designed for number 10 and number 9 envelopes. That machine's designed primarily for announcements, and this is cut sheet. So we can quickly move from job to job depending on the stock of the material. This is great for 1 and 2 color printing. Often when you get those press sheets, that 14 by 20 sheet size, a job like this would have 6 of these brochures on 1 press sheet. The paper cutter cuts them down to final size. We box them up and then ship them out. This is our letterpress. We do a lot of tab work for customers. So customers will want a bank of tabs, say 1 position, 5 position. We take regular stock. The letterpress has a die in it. That's this. You can see this is tab 3, position 3. That sheet will get fed up here and a die cut out of it. We also do boxes, so we can die cut boxes. Our paper folder takes jobs, tri-fold brochures, panel brochures, takes a solid sheet and moves it into a folded sheet. So something like this where the tags menu, it's scored on a scoring machine and then it's folded on this machine. Our collator allows us to take sheets that are printed on the offset press. Because we can't collate them like a digital press can, we have to collate them afterwards. So they're cut, then they're put into these bins, and then these bins will feed sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4 in order down through this stitcher, stitched, folded, and face trimmed. And that allows us to get a final book like this, stitched, folded, and face trimmed. This job is printed on our DI press and finished out here. Our mailing area is where we take all of our printed documents and we usually insert them into, say, an envelope, or if it's a direct mail piece, it goes right to here. But if it's an envelope, say a number 10 envelope with a letter, a brochure, and a reply envelope, one of these machines, depending on how long the run is, would be used to insert and stuff those envelopes and then seal them. Then we take the sealed document, bring it over here, and we would address it. We have mailing software we subscribe to, which allows me to take a mailing list, CAS certify it, which means it's got a valid address, NCOA, which means national change of address, make sure the person's still at that address, which is all part of the rules for the postal code to get the best discounts. We do all that on our system. Then we export a mailing list, and we can address these envelopes at up to 13,000 sheets an hour. So the other thing we offer is online tabbing. The post office requires that any document that's mailed as a letter has to have multiple tabs in order to qualify for pre-sorted automated discount. So on top of the barcoding, they have to be tabbed. This machine will tab up to 3 tabs on one side as it's being fed through, so we don't have to do it as a 2-step process. So it applies 3 tabs, jets, and delivers 1 step. We have 2 full-time designers on staff, and we do an awful lot of pre-press and pre-flighting for our customers. A lot of our customers do their own work, but some of them don't have all the skills or software to make the final product look as they want. So they give us the rough file, and then we massage it. And we're kind of like, my designers are like offensive guards, like I was in high school. So they get they do all the important stuff to get no glory. But they take customers' files, and our customers love us because they can take their files and make them look like a professional product.